How does a car change gears on its own? No grinding, no clutch, smooth as stone. What's the magic trick inside? Let's crack this mystery open wide. Picture three dancers in a cosmic ring, a sun in the middle, planets that swing, and now the ring holds them all in place. Three simple parts in this mechanical space. The sun gear spins right at the core, planet gears orbit 3 or 4. The ring gear wraps around the outside, they're all meshing teeth on this power ride. Planetary gears spinning all around, sun, planets, and ring, that's the sound. Hold one still, spin another one fast, different speeds from the same gear cast. It's all about who moves and who stays. That's how your transmission changes ways. Now here's where the engineering gets real. Remember those dancers, here's the deal. When the ring gears lock completely down and the sun gear spins round and round, the planets walk along that frozen ring. The carrier crawls, that's a crucial thing. 5 times the torque but 1/5 the speed, that's exactly what you need. When you lead from a dead stop, you need power, not pace. High torque gets you moving from that place, but hold the carrier, let the ring gear fly. Now you got speed as your gears run by. Planetary gears spinning all around, some planets and ring, that's the sound. Hold one still, spin another one fast, different speeds from the same gear cast. It's all about who moves and who stays. That's how your transmission changes ways. Wait, here's the brilliant part you need to see. One set of gears gives you modes times 3. Same exact parts, just change what's locked. First gear to 5th, you've got it unlocked. And those planets spread the load so wide, no single tooth takes the whole ride. That's why they handle massive force without breaking down or changing course. Clutches grab and bands hold tight, hydraulic fluid says what's right. Valve body's brain decides the flow, which part stays put, which parts go. Now stack these sets like building blocks. One's output drives the next one's socks. Multiply the combinations you can make, every driving condition, every grade you take. When you're shifting up from 3rd to 4, clutches swap faster than before. One releases as another grabs hold. Power flow smooth, seamless and bold. That's why automatics never grind. Constant mesh gears stay aligned. From that hook question way back when, no clutch, no grinding, smooth and planetary gears.